Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. I'm from Chicago.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 24 years old. I'm 24 years old.
Where do you live now? Where do you live now?
I live in Houston right now. I live in Houston right now.
What do you do for work? What do you do for work?
I work as a customer support agent. I work as a customer support agent.
Are you studying anything these days? Are you studying anything these days?
Yes, I'm studying graphic design online. Yes, I'm studying graphic design online.
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 16:30 a.m. I usually wake up around 16:30 a.m.
Do you prefer coffee or tea? Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea in the morning. I prefer tea in the morning.
How do you go to work every day? How do you go to work every day?
I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work.
What do you like to eat for breakfast? What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like eating oatmeal and fruit. I like eating oatmeal and fruit.
What time do you sleep at night? What time do you sleep at night?
I sleep around 10:30 p.m. I sleep around 10:30 p.m.
Do you watch any TV shows? Do you watch any TV shows?
Yes, I watch a few comedy shows. Yes, I watch a few comedy shows.
What kind of music do you enjoy? What kind of music do you enjoy?
I enjoy listening to R&B and pop. I enjoy listening to R&B and pop.
Do you have any pets at home? Do you have any pets at home?
Yes, I have a small cat. Yes, I have a small cat.
What's your favorite food in the USA? What's your favorite food in the USA?
My favorite food here is burgers. My favorite food here is burgers.
Do you like traveling to new places? Do you like traveling to new places?
Yes, I love discovering new places. Yes, I love discovering new places.
What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends?
I relax, clean my room, or meet friends. I relax, clean my room, or meet friends.
Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym twice a week. Yes, I go to the gym twice a week.
How does your daily routine look? How does your daily routine look?
I work, study a little, then relax in the evening. I work, study a little, then relax in the evening.
What apps do you use the most on your phone? What apps do you use the most on your phone?
I use Instagram and TikTok the most. I use Instagram and TikTok the most.
Do you enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals. Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring.
Do you like shopping? Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes. Yes, I like shopping for clothes.
What hobbies do you have? What hobbies do you have?
I enjoy reading and painting. I enjoy reading and painting.
Do you prefer staying home or going out? Do you prefer staying home or going out?
It depends on my mood, but I like going out sometimes. It depends on my mood, but I like going out sometimes.
What are your plans for today? What are your plans for today?
I plan to finish some tasks and rest later. I plan to finish some tasks and rest later.